Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tumblr. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Tumblr and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tumblr. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.